Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7927 Shire Lane in Victor.
This is a spectacular Victor dream home with an in-ground pool and pond views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this impressive two-story foyer. With 18-foot ceilings featuring crown molding, an arch window, transom and side lights, and hardwood floors. Open to an executive office, living room, and sunroom with 11-foot box ceilings and a wall of windows.
This is a remarkable open floor plan with a great room. Featuring a gourmet kitchen with cherry cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and granite countertops with a breakfast bar. Open to a morning room with a vaulted ceiling and a built-in wet bar. A family room with a gas fireplace and bamboo floors. All with an adjacent formal dining room with a recessed ceiling, chair rail, and decorative columns, plus a powder room and laundry. This is the ultimate finished lower level, with an expansive bonus room with an egress window. Your own personal movie theater, a gym, and a full bathroom, plus great storage.
The upstairs is just wonderful, with 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, including your own guest or teen suite. Plus this grand owner's suite, with a recessed octagon ceiling, a living area, amazing walk-in closet, and the ultimate spa bathroom.
This resort-style paradise is situated on over half an acre, with an entertainment-sized deck, overlooking the in-ground pool, and views of the scenic pond.
Shire Lane is a neighborhood of fine homes with easy access to Rochester, the Village of Victor, Eastview Mall, and Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7927 Shire Lane in Victor.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!